Hi, I'm going to show you how I set up my indoor grow light system using LED lights. I use it to overwinter houseplants and vegetables and to start seedlings indoors. LED lights are not full spectrum like the sun or grow lights. Their wavelengths are incomplete and plants cannot be grown under them long term. However, I do start my seedlings and I grow vegetables under them during the winter, like this lettuce. I also overwinter my succulents and other houseplants, like this pilea, which was doing really poorly due to our house being on a mountain with a lot of winter shade, but it now has even been producing some pups. I am also propagating succulents and this coleus from last summer. To give my plants full spectrum, I will occasionally bring them outside on a bright or sunny day. If you live in an area where it's too cold, you can just place them in a bright window. But I probably only put mine out about once a month. When choosing LED bulbs, ensure that you select bulbs that are greater than 5000 K for a more cool white look with less yellow. To ensure it's bright enough, select 2000 or greater lumen. My bulbs are 5000 K and 2100 lumen. In this video, I will show you how to create an under-mounted light. However, you can also easily create a frame from PVC pipe and other supplies. I purchased this shop light for $20 at Home Depot and a pair of LED T8 light bulbs for just over 10. To assemble, place each end into the slot. Turn until you feel and hear a click. And the light comes with a hook for easy mounting. And our workbench has this convenient hole which we can place the plugs up into. I then plug each into the timer. And the timer was $20. What's great is that it has two outlets into it, so we can just plug two lights in, or a light and a warming mat. I do think that I probably will get a power strip though, because I do have three lights, so I have to work that out. I have three sets of eye hooks here, which is what I hang the lights from. The first ones I hung a little bit low, not realizing that you really can only raise the lights up so high, but you can also raise your plants up using books and other propping devices. I then place my clamp into the eye hook to help the mounting stay secure. I then twist it into place. And now attach the chain and the hook to the light, and then it is ready to go. You want your plants about 1 to 2 inches from the light, so I use a book to raise my lettuce plants up. That's how I set up my indoor lights to grow vegetables, start seedlings, and overwinter houseplants and succulents. Like and subscribe for more videos. Happy gardening!